let's start our effect that we're gonna get paid a shitload of money for. Gatling, what's that? Gatling gun. See, that would be perfect with the particles. So let's do that. Da 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 da. At the end, we'll build a little car and we'll blow it up. We'll make it from end cloth, like those cars, and we'll put it inside some fluid cube, so it'll emit fire and smoke. Almost like here. I mean, if we had a wick, we'd make it better. We would look it better than this. But since we have half an hour, all right. So let's start with those strikes. Let's delete everything. Call it, save this scene, like new scene, whatever. Save this scene as fun with weapons, or fun gun. All right, so where's my scene? Let's start shooting stuff. Fun gun. All right, create particle shape, create emitter. Oh, let's go back to the gun. I won't save that. Okay, create again. Create particles. Emitter. Dynamics. Okay, create. What is a particle? Create emitter. I guess we'll choose directional. Create. Perfect. All right, give it some more speed. Let's put some plane here. Polygon. That's where we're going to hit them. Let's put our car here. So it goes in Y. Okay, let's I'll key the direction from frame. Let's just strife it. Fire. All right, give it much more speed, because these are bullets. They fly very fast. So we'll give it emitter. We'll go to emitter and give it speed. Let's start with 10. Let's see, maybe 50. And our particle is going to leave those traces, so we better use as a particle render type is going to be either cloud or streak. Let's do streak. Oh, this is too long. And then tail size. Let's see, cloud. Check it out. Tube. Let me see it. And the type. Okay, that's good. Let's render that, see what happens, my software. Let's create the shading for that tube. So I'll make another particle cloud shader. Select my particles, apply, assign, and then I'll call it trace bullets. And then we make them glow red. That's transparency, and incandescence like yellow. So you're going to glow. See? Okay, we see something. Hardly. Give it some little glow. And more incandescence. And more color. Try to render. Oh. Yes, size will help. .04. Okay, let's give it a bigger tail. 5 maybe. And then, awesome. All right. You people follow me? Huh? Come on, come on. Let's tomorrow we'll finish our project tomorrow. Not many left. Something's going on. No, I just wanted to go back and do the collision editor, the collision event. All right, let's just create. So this is directional. Yeah. Directional emitter. You have your particles. Choose particle type. Particle type going to be tube. Tube SW. That means we can render it in software. Almost there. So tube, yeah. Once you select the tube, you just your scale might be too big, and then you see those circles. What you got to do? You click on current render type. Yep. And then dial the numbers. Dial all 0. On red is dial like 0 or 0.1 or 0.5. And the tail size, make it 0.8 or 0.1. No, 0.9, 0.1, because right now you don't see, yeah. When I do 0.1, you'll see they close together. And then you create a new shader. Go to hypershade. Or you can use default. You just because by default it already has a shader assigned. You should move your give it more speed. You see, you have a very low speed. Go like 20. And then get a range. Don't forget the range, time range, so so it doesn't rewind all the time. Just give you more range, 600 frames, something. It's only 20 seconds. You guys definitely better with expressions. All right, very good. And now, if you want, let's apply shader on it. Just click. You know how to make shaders, right? You go to hypershade. Huh? Shader? Yeah. Sorry. You go Window, and it's rendering editors hypershade.
I'm still
Yeah, that's the particles. Ready? So move it up. Delete all the rest.
Which ones?
So you will know by, click 4. No, here. Wireframe, and then click on the emitter. Which one to use?
This was.
That's the emitter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just delete everything and make a new one. Directional. All right.